When it's time to pick your classes for next year, there's an easy way to get it done. Balloting can be done almost anywhere, and there doesn't have to be a long line. You can do it at school, at home, or even on the go with your phone. From a computer or any phone with web connection, go to mcsforkids.com, Power Student, or however you usually log on into PowerSchool. From there, you need to log in with your ID and your password, just like you usually would. Once you're there, you'll see your current grades, but you'll want to go to the left side where you can see Class Registration and click on it. You're now ready to select your classes for next year. Depending on your grade level, this might look different. Once we've clicked on it, you'll see some options for the classes. Each class will have two options. The first is a pencil, which allows you to select the class. The second is either a check mark or an exclamation point. The green check mark means that the course is optional, while the red exclamation mark shows that the course needs to be taken for the upcoming year. So let's say you want to start by picking your English class. Let's go ahead, click on the pencil icon, and select the course you'd like. Then hit OK. You've now selected your course. You should now see the course appear in the main window, so you can make sure that you pick the right one. If you clicked on the wrong one, just go back to the pencil icon and click on it. You can now make the changes, and hit OK. Then just go through every course that has the red exclamation mark and pick that class. If the class has a prerequisite, it'll have another red exclamation mark next to it and not allow you to pick it. Once your core classes have been chosen, you might have the option to take an elective based upon your needs for next year. So let's start off by picking your first choice. After selecting this course, like you just did the other ones, you'll now need to pick an alternative, just in case your first pick doesn't work for your schedule. As you select these courses, you should see at the bottom of the window a counter of how many credit hours you're signing up for. You'll need to add enough classes until your schedule hits the required number of credit hours needed. You'll then be taken to a final screen where you can take a second look to make sure that everything's right. Your counselors will be checking in with you in the next few weeks to make sure that everything went right, but feel free to come talk to them earlier if you have any questions. It's as easy as click, select, and submit, and now you're set for the next school year. Balloting online for classes, at home, at school, or on your phone.